Hi everybody, it's Alex here. I'm still in Russia, and why am I in Russia again? I'm still meeting a couple of clients who are importing successfully from China. I'm actually here in the Kremlin. If you've never been to Russia before, there's a quick view here. A lot of tourists here. It's very bright, by the way, so please excuse that. Now, why am I in Russia? Well, I'm meeting a couple of clients here, and we only had a discussion just this very morning about products to actually import, so things to actually bring in to this country. And let me just say give you a couple of quick tips. The first tip is, if you are looking for hot products to bring in, then checking out eBay.com and going down to the niche that you want to particularly get into, whether it's electronics or whether it's something else, then going to the completed listings and actually seeing on the completed listings what is actually selling. That's probably the best way to go about it, guys, to find out what is actually being sold and for what price it is being sold. And so that's one way of doing it. You can also go to Amazon.com and check out the bestseller list to see what is selling there, what's popular, what's in demand. And then it's simply a matter of just going to sites like Alibaba.com and just checking out, how much roughly it will cost, and you'll get a rough cost estimation by just looking at Alibaba.com. So this is the very discussion I was having this morning with my client located here in Moscow, and that's probably the best way of going about it. Now, let me just say one thing here. If you're just new to importing, do not get into furniture. It's heavy, it's bulky, you're going to need containers, a lot of red tape. Do not do it unless you know what you're doing. And electronics, same thing. Probably don't get into electronics unless, again, you know what's going on, because a lot of things could be going wrong with electronics. All right, so and it takes a long time to actually fix the problem. So that's it for me, guys. Look out for more tips coming over the next couple of days, and that's it. Talk soon.